Hey guys, I just wanted to shoot a quick video on this Wink Hub subscription fee, this new subscription that I never agreed to pay for. And I don't know who else out there is having the same issue, but I'm sure there's many. This Wink Hub, I'm showing you a Wink relay, of which I bought 4 of, but they connect to the Wink Hub. And the Wink Hub 2, which, excuse me, my house is a mess. I'm just finishing a reno. But that's the Wink Hub 2 that I bought. But these relays, they tie into that. And Canadian, I think they're, I can't remember, $100 or $200 a piece. I bought 4 of them. I have one going out to the garage. I have one going out to the backyard, which I just replaced yesterday, believe it or not. And then I have one at the front. And yeah, I'm just pretty disappointed that now there's a $5 a month subscription fee, which I won't be paying. It makes no sense. Why would you pay that when you can just go to Samsung Smart Things or anything else? I mean, even Google. I mean, I'm sure they're going to take that industry anyways, but why would you pay $5 a month for a failing Wink system anyways? This relay has said the same problem with the weather app. It would read as -10 when it's 20 degrees, or, Fahrenheit, maybe read, it's 50 degrees when it's 80 degrees. It just made no sense. Sometimes there's a 15-second delay on these switches. My Bayesian motion sensors go on and off probably 2-3 times a month. It'll stop working. It'll come up my phone saying basement motion sensors not working. What good's that when you're away for the weekend and now your motion sensors aren't working? Doesn't make any sense. My high water alarm for the sump pump, that goes in and out of functionality as well. I called the Wink people about the weather app not working, and they said they're working on it, and they'll see what they can do. This went on for about 6 months. I ended up being rude with the person on the phone. They just don't do anything. They won't let you talk to technical support. It's just useless. I don't know what you would pay for a subscription for anyways. It just doesn't make sense to me. So I have about, I don't know, maybe almost $1,000 of different home automation with this Wink system. Hopefully it can switch over to something else, with minimal cost. But I know some of the stuff is garbage, like the Wink Hub 2 is going to be garbage. I'm sure these relays, probably garbage. The relay I just replaced only lasts 2 years anyways. And they don't even make these things anymore. Like, you can't even find them. So I think they're going out of business. They just want to take one last run at trying to make some extra money. But yeah, that's really all I can think of, because there's no way people are going to pay it. And I do think that you should be able to get a refund for your, assuming they actually have any money left, you should be able to get a refund for what you've bought that you're not going to use. I never signed up for a subscription. And on the boxes of the hubs, when you buy them, they did say no subscription fee required. You can check it out online. So I don't know, guys, but if anybody knows what a better one is to do, then let me know in the comments. And yeah, and if there's a class action lawsuit or something going on, I'm in Canada, so I don't know if an electrician's bill plus I don't know if I even have the receipts for these things, but maybe a couple grand Canadian dollars. I don't know how hard I'd pursue that, but if it's easy enough, I will. So if anybody has any information, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching, and good luck.